So yesterday we have done up to open the period, right?
Right.
Right. So yesterday,
Your screen is not visible.
yeah, okay, I'm sharing right. Now it's okay.
Yes.
So yesterday we have done up to the AP period, like GL period we have opened, right? So yesterday we are facing the issue how to open that, right? So we could not able to open the period in login in GL general ledger site. Now we are going to log in. Go to navigator. Click general accounting period close. Yesterday we are trying to click on here, but we could not able to like or crosshair unable to showing over there, right? Like this one hand, right? Look, we opened the periods up to August month. So look at here status. It's open. It's future. Okay. Now if you want to open the period, you can open it. Okay. I will show you how to open. So go to the action. Click on open target period. Which month period you want to open, that you can able to click on here, and you can mention here which month you want to open. Okay. So here September, October, November, December. So presently our month is August. So for your reference, I am going to open this one. Okay. Click on S. Now click on here refresh. September month become open and it show like open. Now it's showing in future endeavor, right? Now look at here. September month has open, right? So now I want to close the period again this month. Okay, because I want to run the business August month. Got it? So I'm going to close here. Simple. Just click on September month and close the period. Just hold and refresh. Now status showing here close. Okay, we can able to again we can open this period. Okay, so now we want to open this month. Already it's August is open, right? Now we want to run this August month. Okay, click on done. Sometime if you getting trouble here, so directly go and select from task area set. Okay, getting Prashant. Getting
Yes, I got
yeah.
it. Yeah.
So if you are unable to select that from in general accounting side, you need to come here, open the target period. Okay,
Hmm.
two way we can
Okay.
able to open the periods. Now so yesterday we were like in the general source. Now what is the purpose we are using general source? It is mandatory or not? Okay. Normally it will use. Hello, someone is saying anything? Prashant, Dharmender?
No, no, please
No.
continue.
Okay. So what is the purpose and it is mandatory or not? So as of in Oracle, already it's having predefined over there. But suppose if you are creating account payables module, for example, AP module, AR module, FA module, CM module. So source nothing but it is one of the general component. It will be determine the origin of the general. Generally we will create when we will use legacy system. Legacy system in the sense, suppose we are using presently Fusion, right? So client are already using some like PeopleSoft software. Okay, he wants to transfer data from PeopleSoft to Oracle Fusion. Got it? He wants to client already existing. They are using PeopleSoft software. They want to transfer the data from Oracle Fusion application. So that time we will use legacy. So if you are suppose if you want to know the data is coming from where, how do you know this one? If you perform this one, general source, the general source available in, we can able to create AP general source, AR general source, fixed asset general source, cash management. If you are doing, if you are going to perform, so I want to know that the data is coming from exactly. If you want to know that data is coming from general source, so we will create for general source. If you want to know the exactly general data is coming from general, if you want to know that data is coming from legacy, so we can giving for identity purpose the data is coming from so and so. So for that reason we are using general source. I will show you to by creating that. Okay, getting by mind or you have doubt? Prashant, can I move for ahead?
Yeah, you can move forward. I
Yeah.
got it.
And Dharmender, do you have any doubt? Source nothing but we are getting source in the sense, just assume it. It's coming from where? Either AP, AR, FA, cash management or legacy, non-Oracle. Just assume it. If we easily find out by through source. Okay.
But this is actually data migration, correct? No?
Sorry.
This is legacy is one of the data migration activities.
Yes, data migration, but is a part to identify, not its part. It's totally it's up to we are transferring data through source. It's part you are just identify with it's already you transfer from XYZ tool. Okay, assumed.
Hmm, hmm,
So
hmm,
this is the then after you transfer, how do you come to know this data has come from where? Sometimes it's
hmm,
club either AP, AR, FA. So if you are using this one, okay,
hmm.
if you are using this source easily you can identify. Okay,
Okay, okay. You
okay,
meant to say we need to first identify the general details.
yes. So if you create this source from APA FA, so when you can search in that a part, you easily able to find that one. Okay,
Okay.
now I will create this one: navigation, navigator, setup and maintenance, financial, general ledger, all tasks here. Now I'm going to show you. So I forgot to general source, so that time I can come to here, search here, manage. Okay, just click on manage general source. We are in place again. Okay, now I am able to create here. Click on place here. Look at here, one second, just hold. Look at it. Already it's default are there. Look at here, assets. Okay, loan, cash management, right? Insurance, manual wise. Got it?
But the few general is already default is created by a system.
Yes, but as a reference, I'm just creating. It's coming data from where? Okay.
Hmm.
Oracle 00 general source. we are creating in GL, so I can create first general source. If I'm performing in AP, so that I can create AP source. Okay. Now, so we have created name, source key. Source key is coming from general source, description same. Now freeze general. At what time it will be used, I will tell you that. These are the topic. Okay. Click on save and close. Now check. So we have created general source, right? Now I'm going to create general category. Okay. Without general source and category, we can create the generals. But as an identity, for knowing purpose, we just need to create first. Okay. Next, I'm going to create general category. Okay. General category nothing but it is one of the general component. It will determine the purpose of the general. At what purpose we are going to use the category. Either it is using for expenses or rent, any other expenses. At what purpose we are using, we need to specify for this one. Okay, either bill, whatever, etc. For that we are going to give the one example. This category using for expenses, this category using for rent. For that we need to be create this one. Okay, now I am going to create this one again, category. The category setup also same like this one. GL all task manage general category. Click on place. Now Oracle 00 general. So its remaining words is not taken. So we can able to add in category key. Here also not taking. So I can write here category. So category key same, description also same. So if I am enable this checkbox, what it will be happen now I will show you. Exclude from manual general entry. If I am keep like this normal, what it will be happen, I will show you by creating two example. Okay.
Okay.
This is a 2. I'm just creating here without numerical add over there. Okay, now I'm enable the checkbox. See, one is without checkbox, one is a checkbox. Okay, now click on save. Now click on save and close. Now, so general source category we have done. Now I'm going to tell you general creation. Okay, general creation I'm going to tell you further. General, before that I have said that source it's coming from where, and general category at what purpose, other expense and whatever we are using. For that reason we are using the category. Now general, what purpose we are using? General we are using it used to record day-to-day business transaction. Okay, always its contain debit and credit line. Debit always must be equal to credit. Okay, so there are like batch, header, line. Okay, so we can create the general. These are the various way that we can able to create it. Okay, now general can be created two ways. One is manual, another is automatic. Okay, now I'm going to create single general, first manual general. How to create that one I will show you. Okay, simple. I will show you the skin there, you might to know that exactly. Okay, so always when we are going to create that, for example, debit 2000, amount should be equal. Okay, here already I mentioned here, always debit must be equal to credit amount. Okay, so always we are going to create, so always debit what amount you have given. If you are giving same, so that amount should be equal to this one. Now come to the page. So navigation, I will tell you, navigator, general accounting, generals, task, create the general. Okay, click on navigator, click on general accounting, click on generals. Now click on task. See this one, task. Click on create general. Now we are in the page. Okay. Now we are going to create the one general. Okay. What general? Example rent. Okay. Here we are just giving as a rent. Okay. Ledger, our ledger is Oracle 00 primary ledger, right? Our currency is INR. Okay. Now accounting date is today 7th August 24. Now I am taking which category? Adjustment. It's like expenses, like what we are using. This one.
Rent is expenses, no?
Sorry.
Rent is expenses.
Yes, rent is expenses. Okay.
But where you run that LDAP?
Yeah, I'm
Still I have
showing.
not
I'm showing where you need to run. I'll show you. For your knowing purpose, so we have created, right, Oracle category. So which category it's taking? See this one. So 2 is not taking, right? Do you remember? Oracle 00 general category. Just hold. I'm showing here itself only. No need to worry.
Now you are in schedule process, correct?
Yeah, just I'm backing because I created two categories. One is category normal, another is category 2. Because if you enable, what happened if you disable the checkbox, what it will be affected. Okay, getting my point, Prashant and Dharmen?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Look at here. I have created two category for your reference to
Correct.
know exactly where it affected. Suppose if I enable the checkbox, whether it's showing or not. If you disable this one, whether it is showing or not. Which category it's showing over there?
Category 2.
No. Category without category 2. See, there
Right.
is no category 2. Look at here.
Hmm.
So, if you enable this checkbox, so we could not able to see. Exclude means we are just not like manual, excluding from manual general.
Okay,
If
this I understood.
yeah,
But what is the LDAP job? Where we need to
wait.
execute
I'm
that
coming to
job?
that place only. Coming to that only. Okay.
That is
So
understood.
yeah,
Checkbox we need to check and uncheck.
yes. I have created two category for your reference. If I am enable the checkbox, it will appear or not. If I am disable, whether if it appear or not in there, the place. Look at here.
Yeah.
It's showing, right?
Correct. It's reflected.
Yes. Now come to the debit and credit. This is the account. Okay, remember, for this reason, for general purpose, we have created from scratch onwards value sets, chart of account, instance, values, right? Now I am adding here
Right.
which one? I think you remember this one. What is this one? TCS is a legal entity, right?
Hmm.
Primary balance. Second business unit, Hyderabad.
Business unit.
Future as a default 0. Now which account we want to use this as a cash or rent? I'm using rent. Okay. So these are called code combinations.
Code
Without those
combination,
things, we
correct.
can't create general. Now I'm adding here 1000 rupees. Okay, same need to click here. Okay, create also. Now we are entering manual wise, right? Here we are clicking and adding the right. Okay, cache. So we are going to create which journal we are creating?
Rent journal.
Yes, rent general we are using. Okay, for your reference or description, I'm just writing here. Okay, so these are the way generals we are creating after we are creating from scratch onwards. These are the setups we have done from calendar, chart of account, instance, primary ledger. These are after we have done here, after we came here to create the general. Okay, and category also created. So I have shown here which category we are using, rent. Okay, now click on save, click on complete and post to GL. Okay, so just note out this one. Click on submit. You can see here. Now you are asking me where we need to run the LDAP. Okay, for example, I have created this generals. Okay, so this general I'm unable to see after I created this one. Okay,
Hmm.
I'm going to cancel this one. Okay, so sometime I'm unable to see this one. I'm unable to see the category also. Okay, so that time I need to run the LDAP by running this process, by running the LDAP process. Remove, I think, LDAP. We need to go tools, click on schedule process. Okay, now before one thing I want to show you, it might take 10 to 15 or 20 minutes it will take if you run the LDAP. Okay, remember
Mhm.
those things, we need to wait till
Okay.
20 minutes. Okay, if you want I can show you here. Okay, now
Hmm.
here the category is showing, right? Just assume it. We have created this one, right? ABC, this one. I'm just disabling this one. Okay,
Okay.
and few of them are just disabling. Okay, disable the checkbox. Now I want to like see the general. Why I'm showing means whether it is showing or not, I want to see this one. Okay, if it is showing means we no need to run the LDAP. If it is not showing, then we need to run the LDAP. Okay,
Mhm.
simple. LDAP we are using. If we are not, our data is not fetching. For that reason, we are going to fetch the data. So I enable loan also over there. Some other checkbox also I enabled. Okay, but I could not able to see this one. Okay, so I want to see this one also, general also, another also. Okay, now
Mhm.
I am going to schedule this one. So if you are adding this, like it's unable to come like this one, we need to go for like first search here. Just enter retrieve, click here, click on search. After entering here, click on search. It will show here.
Okay.
Click on and place OK. Okay, and click on again. Okay, then submit here. Okay, we are submitting the LDAP. need to just copy, because how much time it will take, we need to, by seeing this number, we can able to query here. Okay, because a lot of data are running backend, so many people are there scheduling, like any application like human capital management, supply chain management, financial, all these guys are scheduling, so our data might be going down, so another person is scheduled. So if you are refreshing here, look, now if you want to see our LDAP specific, click on search here, just enter the process ID, click on search, you must enter the positive whole number. So here
Maybe
give
space is there.
this is right. So only our data will be retrieved. It's showing here. If you keep the
Correct.
process ID and click on search. Always, if you want to see specific directly, just copy the process ID number and paste it and search it. You won't get trouble and get confused by seeing a number of data is running process in here. Okay.
Understood.
Single data we are here seeing, but it might take 10 to
Mhm.
15, 20 minutes. Okay.
Okay. This is the job to run for update. If
Yes.
any changes will happen system, we need to update and see the
Changes, or
difference.
if it is
Okay.
not showing after you creating the data generals, whatever you're creating, so that time we are not able to see, that time we need to run the program. Okay,
Yep. Understood.
now we have created the general, right? We want to see the general, where we need to go? check,
Again, there is
check
general
the
ledger
general status,
manage.
yeah, check the general status. Sorry, what did you say?
No, no, same, same.
Yeah,
Continue.
check the general status. So here navigation, navigator, general, task, manage, general. Okay, click on, we are in navigator, go to general accounting, click on general, go to task, click on manage general. So at what date you have prepared this general? August 24, right? Remember? Okay. Which source we have created?
Okay. 000 central.
This source. Which category? Suppose we are unable to suppose if you are searching here sometime, we could not able to see the data. Look at it. It's mandatory to enter any of them, whether we can get or not. See, only one also enough sometime. Sometime there are n number of batches are there here, data. Okay, that time you want to be see immediately one, so you need to click here and just enter your general category. So general category is this one. Okay, click on search. See, so now click on check the status. Now see this one, our status has successfully post. See this one, batch status successfully post and completion status completed. Okay, source we have created manual. Now see this one. Always, if you want to see the status whether we are successfully created or not, we need to come here, batch status, see status posted and completed. If in any case, in case if it is showing an error, we need to click here what exactly it's happened. We need to identify and need to check that one. Okay, got it? So these are the process we are going to create the general. Got it? Let's see what happened up to where we have came. So see this one. It might take time. Okay. So meanwhile, we can continue another topic. Okay. Got it? Have you understand this topic? Can I proceed next level?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So now,
Yes.
yeah, now before I am entering the generals here, I'll show you here. Here also you can see here general rent batch and accounting period August 24 source manual category. See this one category Oracle 00 general category. Enter amount and batch status is what? Posted. Okay. Now I want to be default this one. While I'm creating this one, another general I'm going to create expenses. Okay. Now I'm going to create the general expenses by selecting Oracle general category. Now here when I'm selecting this one, we are entering the segments here, right? We are
Mm.
adding segment by clicking here and selecting one, but I don't want to select always. Okay, it show the automatically. Okay, like 01 automatically I want. Okay, here I want automatically Bangalore 002. Okay, future I want default. Okay, but we can't select this one automatically because we don't know exactly whether we are taking cash, rent, bank loan, whatever. But for this one I just keep blank. Okay, I just want this one default. Okay, for that we need to go but I was not mentioned here that how to make default the code combination, but I can enter here. Okay, click on setup and maintenance. What I'm doing means I want to code combination default. Go to chat account structure instance. Click on manage structure instance. So click on edit. Now I want company default. Click on edit default type. I'm taking here as a constant. Okay, 01. Click on OK. Now I'm clicking here business unit default as a constant.
आज का पार्ट है ना उसका
01. Look at I have given the values over there, three numerical word. So I'm mentioning here 2. So it won't take. Again I'm taking 002. See this. Now it's got it. Understand? Now I'm taking feature also default. Here constant. Here I'm taking again showing because I mentioned here there two values. Click on OK. three values. So I'm just keeping as a default. Okay, click on save. I no need to give the accounts because we don't know exactly which account we will use. So default I can't use that one. Click on deploy flexible. Suppose if you are doing anything here, like default changing name, we need to again deploy flexibly here. Okay. So successfully we have done the chart account deploy. If you have any error here, by need to click here and read the error what exactly it's showing, that validating flexible metadata, no error found. So click on OK. Click on done. Now I want to create the journal. Go to the navigator, click on journal. See this one whether we get the default or not. See this one. Okay, create the journal. Default journal. I just giving the name as a default journal. Okay, now just keep inside. I'm just clicking here. So we are not getting. Okay, why? Because we did not complete for. We need to log out and log in again. Sometime I told you before the topic also, some like when we are open the periods, we are trying to open the period, so we are at the data accelerator, right? So that time we are unable to see the general accounting, right? When it happened after we log out and log in, then we could able to see the general account also. Sometime we need to do like this process way, like general accounting before we are so after we add the data access to this user role, so we could not able to see this user. After we have log out and log in, then we could able to see this one. Okay, now I am showing to you here settlement and maintenance. Now we are logged and login, right? Now I am showing to how it will be appear. Default. Click on general. Before it's not showing, right? Create general. Now it's default. Now I'm taking here adjustment. Click on here. Now see, we can able to get default. So always why I am keeping this default means company, if you are using most of repeatedly we are using this one, so we can keep this one. And business unit also same. Feature is a default, no issue. Why I am not taking account means we don't know exactly. Okay, whether we are taking cash, rent, bank loan, which we are exactly we are not exactly we don't know. So for that I just never keep as a default. So now I want to keep this one as a cell, or any of them we can keep here and click on save. Okay, now amount is 500, 5000. Now come to same place, select the account. Now it's same. Now I'm selecting here cash. What debit amount you have given, credit amount should be same. If I'm giving 3000, what it will be happen, I will show you that. Okay, the total accountant debit and credit for this general batch aren't equal. Do you want to continue? If you want, you can continue. Later we need to be add in that place to add the suspense account, but I don't want to continue. But it's showing the pop of the window, it's showing the screen, it is not equal, so no. Okay, so I want to keep here again 5000. Getting my point? Click on save. Now it's showing the message. No, nothing. If you're getting any trouble, if you're getting any wrong, they might show the message. Click on complete and post. Now click on cancel. Again we are seeing the status, whether at what level our generals are created. Okay, so we have created up to 2. So click on, if I am selecting date October month. Okay, if I am selecting October month, whether its data is coming or not. See, look at this. If I am selecting October now if I select the July month, because July, September, I am not enter any transaction generals. So I enter only in August month. Simple. If you select here and search, look at here. Status successfully posted. Okay. So these are the process we are going to create the general. Okay, got it?
Got it.
Now have done general source and category and general creation. And how do we get default accounts segments? Okay, so that I have shown in that videos. Okay, na default value I want that. Got it? So enterprise structure I can explain you tomorrow, this one. Okay, now I'm going to wind up the class. If you have any doubt, please kindly let